Hi everyone. So in this lecture we will see the demonstration of @repeated test annotation, that how we can use this annotation and repeat a test multiple times. So in our JUnit 5 project, in our test folder, I'll simply create a test class. We'll give it a name as repeated test demo, and I'll simply keep it in a package com.hoverspot.junit5 dot repeated test. We'll click finish. So inside this class I will be creating a method. Let's say public void. We'll give a name to it as simple repeated test. So friends, in order to execute this test case multiple times, instead of providing @test, we have to provide @repeated test. And to this annotation, we have to provide the number of times we need to execute this test. So let's say I provide a value as 5, and inside this test case I'll simply provide assert true. Let's say I provide a boolean condition as 0 is less than 5. So we'll import assert true, and we know that 0 is less than 5. Therefore this assertion will pass, and also this test case. So friends, if I run the test case now, so friends, here you can see the test case got executed successfully. We got a green bar, but here you can see that it didn't execute this test case once, but it executed this test case 5 times, because we provided the value 5 here. And also you can see that it executed this test with the test name as repetition 1 of 5. So 1 is the current repetition and 5 is the total repetitions. So we also saw that there are placeholders. So this symbolizes the current repetition and this symbolizes the total repetitions. So this is our total repetitions, and as this is executing 5 times, so for the first test case it says repetition 1 of 5, for second it says repetition 2 of 5, and similarly for the last repetition it says repetition 5 of 5. So friends, here we are simply repeating this test 5 times. So this will simply behave like a normal test, but with the only change that it repeats it as many times what the value we have provided here. And it also has the support of lifecycle methods. So if I open the lifecycle package and I simply copy this lifecycle methods along with constructor and just paste it here, we'll give the constructor name as repeated test demo, and also @after each and @after all. So friends, if I run the test case now, so here you can see that it has executed this 5 times what we discussed earlier. But on console you can see that it also executed all the lifecycle methods. So it ran @before all, then it ran the constructor. So you will find that as we are executing this test 5 times, you will see 5 instances got created of this test class. and similar to it, 5 times before each and 5 times after each got executed for each repeatable test, and at the last it executed after all. So friends, here you can see that @ repeated test is very much similar to @ test, with the only difference is we are providing a test case, and if we want to execute it multiple times, we provide that number here, that how many times we want to execute this test, and it has support of this lifecycle methods as well. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.